Hi, it's a random Thursday midweek. We thought we would show you a realistic evening in our lives. Normally when we vlog it is the weekend, so we thought we would vlog midweek, show you what our evenings look like. It is fairly busy. John's still at work till 7. I've just finished. It's a million degrees in my car, so we're gonna go home, see Louie, and then get on with our evening. But we hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so it looks like Louie has been snoozing most of the day away. He was quite excited when he got home. Hello. Hello. He'll take any belly rubs he can get, won't ya? Hey, good boy. Yeah. Also, we've got a parcel and we don't know who ordered it. So I'm going to wait for John to come home, maybe. I might open it. Should we open it? Okay, I just need to put some shorts together for tomorrow. I've got my hair up, but it looks weird. So, I need to put some shorts up for tomorrow. So I'm going to do that now quickly. And then I have to chop stuff up for dinner. So, I've been using, you remember I got this book? I've been using it for planning. To pop in like when we've got to film, when we've got to edit, what videos are going live, like that. Also like when we're on holiday, because we need to start covering that. So yeah, we're getting there. It looks like chaos. I can't really show you, but it looks like chaos, but it does make sense. And then I've been using this one, which is my goat notebook, for like daily things. I've just been really enjoying being organized. So yeah, I'm going to do shorts because I'm procrastinating, and then it'll be time to start doing tea for when John gets home, and then he's going to walk Louie, have a shower, and then we'll sit down and have some tea. Okay, John will be home in a minute, and tea takes, it says 20 minutes, but it doesn't actually take that long. We've done all of the chopping. So it's chorizo, pepper and onion. I'm just going to pop it in the pan. Look who's back.
Back again. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good day.
Yeah, it's thundering.
It is. I'm going to get wet walking Louie.
I don't think it's raining, is it?
It's trying to.
Oh.
No, more like it's going to track it.
Yeah.
But that's okay. That's it. That's my last one. I'm so happy about that. It's been a long week. So yeah, walk Louie, and then you can start the evening.
Yeah, I'm going to open that parcel.
Okay.
And then we can show John what it is when he gets back.
That'd be good. Yeah.
I'm hoping it's something fun.
Works gave me a present today.
Have they?
I don't understand why, but I'm not gonna
What
turn
is
it
it?
down. It's a power bank.
Oh.
They handed it out to everyone.
Is it a good power bank?
It is. It's a wireless as well.
Oh.
And it's got. I'm not going to sell it because I've got our
Oh,
brand
okay.
over it.
Well, that's quite cool, though.
Yeah, I don't
What, so
understand
you can
why.
just put your phone on it?
Yeah, it's quite
Nice.
a trunky one as well.
We think the parcel we got is from YouTube.
Nice.
But I'm not.
I've ordered nothing. You
I haven't ordered anything either, and it looks fairly big, so
Yeah.
I feel like we'd remember ordering it.
I think we would. Yeah, I hope so. Unless it's a birthday present from last week for you.
Oh, it might be.
I don't know who from though.
No.
But I don't know, that's a bit weird. But yeah, open
I'm
it
going to
up.
open it and then see what it is.
I'm going to walk Louie before it starts absolutely chucking it down. And then we can have a bit of tea later.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, it's kind of from YouTube. It's kind of from Mr. Beast. We did a campaign with #Team Water, and they had merch. So we got this hoodie. It says Team Water on the front, and then on the back it's got #Team Water. And you know, it's actually, it feels really nice. I think John's going to really like it, but I think it's for me. So, yeah, I actually really like that. Oh, fun. It's a bit too late for us to use it with our video, but I still really like it. I'm glad I know what it is now because it was confusing me. Okay, so now that that's opened, I have to put my washing in the tumble dryer. How nice is that? It's so warm and muggy here because it's storming, so I don't want to be wearing this at all right now. But it's a really nice jumper.
I wanted to know what it's like to drive down Sunset Boulevard with you.
Wow, we were right. Sort of. That's quite nice. I really, really like that. Really like that. Same, we've already done the video.
Yeah.
But yeah, go and check that video out. It's coming out tomorrow. It's
Will it be out already?
Yeah, so yeah, go and check it out. Same, we already pre-scheduled it. But it's really nice. We didn't think we was getting one, so yeah, I like that. Nice. Right, quick shower. Emma's making tea. She's amazing. And yeah, that's it.
I don't know if we've shown you this one before or not, but that's kind of what it looks like. And then, oh, you've steamed up, of course you have. That's kind of what it looks like, and then we just dish it up.
It's our favourite. One of our favourites. Quick, it's easy, it's tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Especially after work.
Yeah, let us know your favourite, like, easy after work meal.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely.
We use the pinch of num.
We do like them. Normally, it's weird because it's a lot of the same ingredients for different dishes.
Yeah.
Work that out.
Yeah.
And it tastes really nice. So yeah, we like it. And it's like half an hour to like 20 minutes recipes. So yeah, they're great.
Yeah. So we're gonna dish it up now.
Yeah.
Oh no. John got a.
Back.
What are they called? I want to call it like a lazy Susan, but it's not, is it?
I don't know, but it works.
Sometimes. We're watching Travel Spree with dinner.
Yes, these are amazing. For all the cruises that we want to go
We're
on to
living
eventually.
all of our cruising dreams.
Yeah, it's good because it makes us think about other cruise lines that we haven't been on that we might want to go on the future.
Although I
Amazing.
don't know if this one will.
What's this one?
It says I gave Carnival another chance. Huge mistake.
Oh, really?
So probably
Okay.
not this one.
Well, Celebrity we were thinking about.
And Royal Caribbean.
Yeah. So, because Harmony of Seas looks amazing.
Yeah.
One they just recently been on.
Yeah.
Recently, a few weeks ago.
We don't know when they went.
No, it's
but,
all mixed in. But yeah, it makes us think about other ones. That's really good.
and we really like how they film and stuff.
Yeah, they're really good. He's
Right.
amazing.
Yeah.
Right, dig in.
You know that song that I always feel like somebody's watching me?
In theory, it would be
Do you feel like that?
He's a good boy. Likes a bit of food.
Is he supposed to be sat up at the table?
Much better pool experience. It's like an infinity pool kind of. Then
No.
That's it. Tea's done, all put away, all washed up. That was really nice. We do like that one. Now we've got a Tesco delivery coming at 8 o'clock. It is 8:10 now, so it should be here any minute. What's really good. Put that away, and then I think we can chill out for the evening. Have a lolly, give Louie his dental stick, and then we can chill out, watch some YouTube. Yeah, sorted.
Tesco's here.
Perfect. That's good timing.
Louie's about to sing the song of his people.
Kick off.
He kicks off. There you go. He's our dog. Now it's the worst bit. We have to put it all away.
It doesn't take that long.
I didn't say it was a relaxing evening. I said it was a realistic one. I said I didn't say it was relaxing. I said it was realistic.
Yes, we all do food shop.
Yeah, we do it on a Thursday, so we don't have to do it on a weekend, but
That was really quick. So that was alright on timing actually today.
yeah,
We had it from 8 to 9. It came up at 8. It was perfect.
yeah.
Yeah, love that.
Okay, it's dessert time. We're having watermelon lollies.
We do like these. We had this the first time the other night, and they're really nice.
Yeah, we also have the mango ones.
Yeah, they're
I
good.
think they're round trees as well, aren't they? The mango ones.
Yeah, and the multi-coloured ones, they're nice.
I like these better than the rocket lollies, but we generally have a lolly of some kind after tea.
Yeah.
If we're not having sorbet.
If we're not having ninja ice cream, yes. They're just easy, isn't it? And it's
Yeah.
like, yeah. Nice.
But
Really
these
likes it
ones,
as well.
yeah.
Look at him.
He's looking that you can't quite see it. Hang on. There you go.
We do give him a last bit.
We don't give it to him.
He demands
He demands it.
Yeah.
But look, they actually look like
Yeah, they are
a
nice.
watermelon.
Yeah. Perhaps we should see next time we go to Costco, if you can get a bigger box of them.
They would have put in the freezer though.
You can take them out of the box. Because we do like them.
Yeah.
Nice. I feel like the food's put away, tea's done, everything all sorted. I feel like it's time to chill out now.
Have you seen that?
I know. Yeah, was it? 8:45. I feel like it's a bit of a YouTube time now. Chill out.
Unless you wanted to try and watch that programme we just found on Sky.
Isn't it out yet?
Yeah,
Tomorrow.
the first 3 episodes were out.
No? He's reminding this for tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
You can see it, I'm pretty sure it's reminding us. I think we have to record it for tomorrow. It's somewhat...
It's the dad from Gavin and Stacey.
Yeah.
I always think he's a jockey, but he isn't. He just looks a bit like a jockey.
He is good.
Yeah, he's Welsh, is he?
Yeah, I think so.
And he says he's taking people on an adventure and they have to guess where they're going.
Yeah.
I think it's called Destination.
I think so. It looks really good. The clip we've seen of it, or what we read of it. I think it's out tomorrow, but we check. If not, we'll watch YouTube. And then watch it tomorrow, yeah.
And Louie is like, shut up and give me some ice water.
Come on, Em.
That's what we were looking at. He's called Rob Biden, by the way, not the Welsh guy from Gavin and Stacey. And it's on tomorrow?
Yeah.
I don't understand why they've got 3 episodes. I guess, like...
I mean, all 3 out tomorrow, I would imagine.
Oh.
Because we series linked it, I would imagine all 3 out tomorrow. Because it's on this week.
Yeah.
But 13 Strangers, Venture of a Lifetime.
We have to figure out where they are.
Yeah.
I just want to take one.
We're watching, well, it's not Belly, it's
Not Belly.
Bat Buyer?
It's one
No.
of Belly.
I can't think of your ship name. Kylie? Oh, Kellia.
Which is that big bed?
Kellia sounds better, but there they are.
It's Louie's time.
Somehow, after he's eaten our ice cream, he gets a treat.
You get a dental one.
Yeah.
It's a treat. Goodbye. You got a dance
Oh,
for
we
it
do
for
the
a
little
while.
dance, yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. I don't know what the dance is about.
Isn't it?
He gets it every day. Highlight of his day. We needed to see how we get to see Louie in the evening because he's gone to bed. Because it's gone 9.
Boy.
So we drag him.
You putty. Never monkey.
Happy? He seems to enjoy it.
Yeah.
His tail wags the entire time.
I think we just leave it there, really.
You know, I quite like the ride that he takes.
Yeah.
He looks confused now. Normally now, we get on the floor down there and we play with Louie. So I guess it's play with Louie time. Maybe he doesn't want to hit John with his whizzer.
He's nice.
Oh, he wants a belly rub. Someone's needed attention. You're going to give him carpet burn.
Can you get your ball? Can you get your ball? Goodbye.
Here we go. Oh no. His balls.
Oh no, you've got to eat food first.
Yeah, and his ball's in the garden.
You got more than one ball.
Yeah, but the ball is in the garden.
There we go, that's better.
What to choose? Oh, rogue choice. It's a ball.
More bite of everything and every avenue. Like cold drinks, summer night.
We never said relaxing. John just got called out. Hi.
You might be in bed.
Yeah. We were just thinking about going to bed too. So it's 10 past 10. I'll wait up probably until John tells me what it is. Sometimes if it's not a super serious thing, he can let me know what it is. And then if it is a super serious thing, he won't let me know what it is, but he'll be gone a while. So I'll then know that it's a super serious thing, and then he probably won't be back anytime soon. So I'm probably going to read for a little bit. I've been reading Wildfire, which is the follow-up book to Icebreaker, but I've been falling asleep every time I pick it up because I've been reading it so late. I'm also trying to get into this book that I got for my birthday, which is Manifest. I wanted to read a little bit of that. I actually got 2 copies for my birthday, so that's nice. But yeah, it's 7 Steps to Living Your Best Life. So it's got like worksheets and stuff like that, things to do. So I might actually do the worksheets in one of them and keep one for best. But yeah, I want to read this one too, but I don't know whether it's wise to start this one when I'm already reading that one. And I also have these two books that I'm trying to get round to reading. I've got Star Talk, which is by Neil deGrasse Tyson. And this is it's kind of like one of the books you would have had at school. Oh, Louie's just lay down. So it's not super technical, but it's got loads of stuff about like astronauts and different space. That's a broccoli there. Yeah, different space things. And I've had it a little while, and I would like to get into that one. And then also, John's sister book. Oh, I'm just making a mess. John's sister and her family. Sorry about that. John's sister and her family bought me Hidden Britain, Secret Tunnels, Lost Chambers, and Unknown Passageways. And I've been really wanting to start this. And this one's in like little sections, like so like you've got Dunster Castle, just that section of it there. So it's not like a big commitment of a read, but I do have to read. Like the intro is a big chunk, but I could read it in bits. So yeah, I've got a lot of books going on. I haven't read anywhere near my goal this year, so I do want to get reading. But hopefully John isn't on anything too big and scary, and he will let us know what it is, and I can let you know. And we can either go to bed and I'll say goodnight, or we can wait till he's back and then we can say goodnight. So we'll see what it is.
I'm back. Not too bad. About an hour. Gain entry. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, about an hour. So it's late now. So but just gone 11 o'clock at night. So I'm guessing it's bedtime now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was our evening. We said it was a realistic evening, not a relaxing one. And that's what our evenings look like. Yeah. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Night. Bye.
Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to move.